Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Explainable AI, XAI, Advanced Techniques, Improving Model Transparency. Imagine a black box, you put something in, and something comes out, but you don't know what's happening inside. That's often how AI models work. XAI is like opening that box and understanding the steps the AI took to reach its conclusion. For developers, this means making our AI models more understandable and trustworthy. Transparency builds trust. If we don't understand how an AI makes decisions, especially in critical areas like healthcare or finance, we can't rely on it. XAI helps us debug errors, ensure fairness, and meet regulatory requirements. As developers, knowing why an AI chose a specific output is crucial for building robust and responsible systems. Think of Lime as a magnifying glass. It zooms in on a single prediction made by your AI model. Like deciding if an image is a cat or a dog, Lime simplifies the complex model by creating a simpler, easier to understand model around that single prediction, explaining why the AI made that specific choice. As a developer, you can use Lime libraries to get these explanations easily. Imagine a group project. SHAP assigns credit, or blame, to each member. Feature in your data. For the final outcome, AI's prediction, it tells us how much each factor contributed to the decision. It's like a fair distribution of responsibility, which is crucial for fairness and debugging in your AI application. Decision trees are like flowcharts. They visually represent the decision-making process of a simpler AI model. We can trace the path from input to output and see the rules used. As developers, using this visual representation, we can extract easily understandable if-then-else rules from the model's logic. Think of this as highlighting the most influential ingredients in a recipe. Feature importance shows us which input variables had the biggest impact on the AI's final prediction. For developers, this helps in feature selection and identifying potential biases in the dataset. Combining these techniques, developers can build AI systems that are not only accurate but also transparent and understandable. This includes choosing appropriate XAI methods for your model and dataset and effectively communicating the explanations to users. This is just the beginning. There are many more advanced XAI techniques to explore, such as counterfactual explanations and attention mechanisms. Keep learning and experimenting too. Become a master of XAI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.